Tomorrow, I will be in government house. Now me una they go, now life and direct. I want to remove my husband from my house because he have left to Nigeria. You cannot be in Nigeria and then you keep registration here. All the ways I can remove, I remove. Most especially if they know that you have left to Nigeria, the 50% custody that you have over the kids is going to be removed. It's time that we take. Baby, we just started the journey. You might never have to see Munachi in your whole life. I'm telling you the truth, baby. Like, you might never have to see Munachi. You know me now. You know me. You might never, ever. Just, you have sacrificed Munachi for your family. You chose your family over Munachi. You chose money over Munachi. You chose money over Munachi. That is 1000%. You can't eat your cake and have it. You will be seeing Munachi on social media. Now you make your decision now. Picking one I born for you at the age of 42. You know me now. As long as you are there, I'm removing the custody. The father is not here to take care. Who are you to say you want to keep it? I'm removing it. Oh, I will fight her with law. I will fight her. I'm removing the 50% of the kids. You are not paying child benefit. You keep 50%. It's not going to work now. You have lost Munachi forever. I'm opening my mouth right now and I'm telling it to you. Life and direct. You have lost Munachi. I'm going to fight you when it comes to that. You have lost Munachi forever and ever. You have lost Munachi. You have chosen your mother over your child. You have chosen your sisters over your child. You have chosen money over your child. You have chosen your pure water business over your child. You have chosen everything over that child. And me, I chose Munachi over anything. You know, say I be kids lover. I like to walk. I've been taking care of myself. And I just say, man, you get man for us. You get man for us. Now, be that. Which man? Now, every man, I be man. Tears of joy, tears of having kids in my life. Not be tears of say you come out. I'm taking care of my 5 kids, all of them. You're seeing them single-handedly. It is now I want to focus. Training them. Anything where they want to become, they let them become it. But definitely they will never suffer. Mark it. They will never suffer. Munachi, I know I had that very late, yeah. What are you thinking? You go back to Nigeria after I forfeited something. Then later you say, baby, come and sign for me. You're going to see me for Nigeria all the time, baby. You're going to see me. This one I'll be saying. You're not going to see me face to face. You're going to see me for social media. Say I did Nigeria. You will never know my location. I go pepper you. In fact, it's a competition right now. I love competition, guys. I love competition. You took that money away. Say I don't go. Now money, now people go say they cry. But you see me now. I'm a big girl. Nothing they stop me, guys. I'm not a brag. I they talk with power. I am not the kind of a woman you leave and then I will not stand on my both feet. If I used to walk 3 times a day, I would walk 6 times a day. If it is all about money, I would drive that car. After all, the car I'm driving right now is big enough. I'm a citizen. Oh, me and you not be the same. Oh, you in Nigeria now. What you they will do you? They go do visa for my husband, make him go South Africa. They go they do yahoo. That is the best they can do for him. I never reached Nigeria. I visited Nigeria many times. He said, honestly, this really touched my heart. I'm telling you. Bro, almost broke my heart. I've been in it for a long time. I am not that kind of a woman you leave and I will cry because of a man. Are they crazy? Do you know who I am? Hey, Pakororo will not go to school. Imagine. Huh? People will laugh me say, no get husband. No get husband. I want for you. Mommy. In that social media, they say, I love my wife. My wife is a woman. My wife is kind. My wife is rich. My wife is beautiful. My wife is all and everything. You won't talk me put into signing document for you in Nigeria. I swear on my mother's grave, I will never do it for you. I'm removing your registration from this house. And I'm telling the government that you disappear from the country. Make it in Nigeria. Make it all. But instead, you do business, you want to shoot content. Maybe waiting that watch you want, then the revenue you go see. Learn from us, learn from me. See me. I gave all and everything and I'll be suffering. I gave all and everything to rectify my marriage. May they not talk, may they not talk. At the end of the day, just because may they not talk, that thing that you don't want them to talk, now you will be living with your enemy inside the house. How much is Eliab going to make in this life that you overtake me? Eliab, how much are you going to make in this life that you will be richer than me? You will never be richer than me. I swear. You can never be richer than me. You can never be richer than me. You dey Nigeria, dey Austria, but you can never be richer than me, baby boy. Rich. Yeah, this is beautiful. Can never be richer than me, oh. You want richer than me at this your age, you. You steal from me and then you want to be richer than me like that. You not go work now. But better don't sell our landless property. I beg you in the name of God. Elderly people will get involved now because I cannot trust you. You cannot. They will call on your family attention. Your mother and your father. Your mother and your father, oh, now them they go talk to. That property needs to be sold now so that we can share our own. All those properties, go to share them. We'll sell it now and share it. Not talk say you dey secret court. Say you want you secret court, they fight me. I will fight you on social media. Elderly people, I don't contact some elderly people. I don't think me and you we have another chance to come back. Say teeth and tongue they quarrel. Me and you, teeth and tongue they quarrel. It's infinity. I know they go back to my vomit. I swear. It's infinity finish. Hey. I fought for my marriage. I gave it all. As it not work, it's finished though. Carry your ticket, you go back to Nigeria. That was the end. You throw away my effort. All my effort, you throw it away like say it's easy. Nothing actually happens between me and my husband rather than, please, do your driver license. We have applied since last year. Months has gone by. You do one. You study for the driving school. Study. Not English, not be Dutch. So that you can help me. The stress is too much. You know, money has been disappearing. We earn a lot of money. They will pay us on the 26th. On the 8th of the other month. Money don't finish, guys. So I'm already looking for how to survive. I don't dey borrow. To the extent I sold my car. I sold one of my car. I'll be managing it. You know, fear not let me point finger. Yeah, we pay this, we are owing this, we are owing that. Money has been going. I was like, okay, now that situation is like this, please, you take a job. Take a job. Even if it's 200 euro, use it to support me. We cannot right now focus on social media alone. Life is hard. Trouble starts. Trouble starts. So that was it. I was thinking, oh, he would do it to impress me. I've already forfeited my own salary. I was thinking he would do it. At least I stood by him. It is time for him to stand, to show me and prove me that he's a man. I've been doing everything as a woman and a man since. You all know. Here on social media, there is nothing to lie about. So, I'll not be saying one thing. Nothing to lie about. So, I'm satisfied. I did everything I could. Me, I cannot continue to carry. We are going to Nigeria to apply for the visa. I said we are going to buy tickets. Everybody tickets. Only me no go fit carry on. Let me go create content. Let me go come live. Let me go work. Let me go appointment. I will go there. I'm exhausted. Sometimes at the time I started shaking. My husband would just be at home moving up and down. Create content with the children when I'm not there. To no avail. Go to kitchen. If you are cooking, people will watch you. They liked it. They used to watch you. To no avail. Okay, you go to work. Do something. There is document for you to work. For where? Okay, now, if you cannot work, write the exam. Write the driver license so that the money will not just go like that. We have paid already. If we haven't paid, it's something else. And just a little money was remaining after exam, then they, everything will be fine. Wahala, bros not agree. The Lord has been too much for one person. I'm telling you the truth too. You know, if you beat me, you say, make I not cry now. It's not going to work. Say washing dirty linen outside. There's nothing like washing dirty linen outside. He left to Nigeria now. Since I've been calling him, I've written him. He never reply. You know, they make. He has already gotten his money. He has all the money. Then when we were not able to find money, where is money? Where is money? Money can they grow leg, they run. Oh no, he say, bros, they was carrying a lot. A lot has happened. He was carrying a lot of money. You don't get feelings. It's not good to have a narcissist as a husband. You know, you will be the last person to understand. So it's really over, because he cannot do me like this and expect that we'll come back again, or expect if anything goes wrong in Nigeria, I will come and sign document for him. It's not going to work. I am speaking out because I know I'm giving up. It's over. It's over. Like, it's over. We might not have to divorce on the document now. It's over. It's a gradual process. It's over, and I'm not ashamed to say it to my fans that it is over. Queen Aisha, now you know whether I prank or now you know whether I prank. It's your problem if it is a prank. It is a shock of my life. A big shock. Even though a lot of things has been happening, you know, as a woman, they say, get patient, get patient. Get patient, don't wash your dirty linen outside. Get patient, don't wash your dirty linen outside. That is how I've been doing it too, not washing my dirty linen outside though. So right now he left, thinking that he will go and impress me, stand by me in time of trouble, prove me that you truly love me. We have children here that we are paying their school fees. I forfeited my money for you, and then it's easy for you to just pack your things and just go. Never you giving me something of 100 euro in return. Don't always say what they should do for you. You also think what you should do for others. I forfeited 1,700 euro monthly times 14. Infinity. And then it's easy for you. I go on social media 247 making money. You are taking it. Today your daughter get eye problem. Tomorrow you want to do operation. The other time need a pay now. Now you guys are just extorting me. It's not fair. Now you have been able to gather enough money, open a pure water business. You still carrying neck so that everybody will feel sorry for him. You pack your bag and then you left back to the Nigeria. When you know you were going, why then did you let me forfeit the money? Why? Why were you giving me pressure that I must give you document? Why? But what you do out of love, there is no regret. The deed is done. The deed is done. I'm not crying. So, I am in Europe. Anytime I'm able to divorce officially, the government will start supporting me. So, you make your money in Nigeria. Why I make my money here? You stay there, I stay here. Tomorrow now, I'll go and tell the government that my husband has left to Africa. I'll have to remove his registration from my house. I will go on camera while I do this, for you guys to know. I will go on camera. When I'm going to the government to let them know that my husband has disappeared from the country, I will go on camera. My life is on social media. I will go on camera tomorrow, early in the morning, as early as 8, 9, as I'm dropping Munachi in school. I will go and remove his registration from here. My husband has disappeared. I don't know his whereabouts. But this is it, this is it. I've downloaded the video, should in case he deletes it, that is not in Nigeria. Because he can lie for Africa. So, not when I have given everything. And then I will start regretting, oh, if I had, what should I have known now? I did everything. He went for Dutch course. He took how many years to do one Dutch course? How many times? Repeating. Baby, study. The children are the one who is even doing homework for him. What are you expecting me to do? You cannot put things in someone's head now. You cannot put success in someone's head. He wants it in an easy way. Nigeria, where they will call him Oga, they create content. Wishing me happy Mother's Day. I called you. You refused to pick. I don't know if I am an animal or I am something. I don't know. I've written you. You don't want. You are calling another person to let me know that you have arrived in Nigeria safely. And you are telling me that you still love me. What kind of manipulation spirit is that? So that whenever you need me, I'll come and sign for you. Tomorrow, I don't reach government house. I have reached government house. Hey. Anytime we want divorce, we'll divorce. I will call my lawyer tomorrow. You have left. I'll start processing for it. What do you think? Say tomorrow you'll call me, make I come sign for your document for you. Baby, I don't do that. And I'm not a child you pepper with husband. I'm not a child. What I need now is success. What I need now is success. So I'm 45, going to be 46. I'm too mature to be crying over. What do I need a man for? I've always been an independent woman. Since you have been in my life, not even a common lipstick I've gotten free from my husband. Free from his own money. Say, you know, nothing gets spoiled at home that he repairs. I have to pay on call. I have to pay workers. Of what importance are you? Sis? Come on now. There are many ways to get it. You must not need a man to do that kind of thing. You don't understand. Forget level. Now, men, you go use soap. You go there use soapy. You go tire.